How to make a professional LinkedIn profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a professional LinkedIn profile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to make a professional LinkedIn profile, it all really depends upon your profile itself. So first of all, let's go to our profile page over here. The first thing that we want to do is simply choose a professional profile picture which is clear and accurate and not showing any personal stuff. You don't want a photo that you clicked on a beach or somewhere in a club. You want it somewhere you clicked in a professional setting or environment. If you have a banner, you have a good design, then you can actually add your banner about what you do. You can add your short content of over here, what is it that you do, and provide them the views. Now you can simply scroll down, and under featured you can try to add something such as the articles you've written. You can tap on it, you can add a newsletter, you can add a link, or do whatever else it is. Under the activity you can add an about section, which is actually quite professional, that you might want to do over here. Then you can go to the experience tab. In this case you can add some experience and make sure these are the real experiences. If you have education, you can add education. If you have a certifications, you can add some certificates if you want to. This all will ultimately make your LinkedIn profile stand out and look much more cleaner, crisp and detailed. So this way you should be able to make a professional LinkedIn profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.